Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. Then you can try to force restart it, and to do it you have to press the power button, which is right here, and the volume down button together, just like making a screenshot configuration for long enough, approximately 8 or 10 seconds to forcefully power it off. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons simultaneously, and of course we've made a screenshot, but keep pressing both of those buttons, keep pressing, and as you can see we've got the black screen, which is really good. Right now we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully restarted our device, and in a second it will turn on completely and work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.